How to insert 3D models on Microsoft Word tutorial for beginners. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to insert 3D models on Microsoft Word. So all what you have to do is go to Microsoft Word and click here on insert and go to 3D models, click here and wait a few seconds. Now you will find many models right here, as you can see. For example, let's choose this one, and click insert. Wait a few seconds and I think it will take a few minutes, and here you go. This is the 3D model, as you can see on Microsoft Word. It looks so good and so professional. You can as you can see, move it like this. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.